There's plenty of work to do, and you can use some help, right? You need some muscle to help you get the job done. Introducing the Tora-Max electric walkie pallet jack. It's the solution you need to help keep your operation up and running. Start with electric power to lift up to 4,000 pounds and a no-nonsense design featuring a durable steel apron and battery cover. Add a polyurethane drive tire and exceptional ground clearance to make moving across thresholds, dock plates, and pallet entry and exit effortless. The efficient AC drive motor lets you work longer so you can power through your daily tasks. With a maintenance-free lead-acid battery, you won't need to worry about daily watering. The built-in battery charger works with standard wall outlets for convenient recharging. The Tora-Max electric walkie pallet jack is easy to operate. Turtle speed slows the maximum operating speed for enhanced control and precision. Easy-to-reach controls for lift, lower, forward, and reverse are simple to use. The Tora-Max electric walkie pallet jack is perfect for warehousing, light manufacturing, retail, beverage, and distribution industries. The new Tora-Max electric walkie pallet jack. Tough, reliable, durable. It's the partner your operators want, the efficiency your business needs, and the muscle you deserve. For more information, contact your local Toyota material handling dealer or order online at shop.toyotaforklift.com.